Welcome to Bangkok, baby. Leaving dojo.
For a week.
So, taking a bus to go to another lounge. Go check it out. Right now, just went to building C, or the satellite building. Took a bus, going to Hotel Sama Sama, or the Sama Sama Express Lounge. And Lara's getting off behind because she's walking slow. Only 2 lounges here that you can go to, so. What do you have there?
I have an avocado toast that traveled with me from Bali to Kuala Lumpur.
And then to Bangkok. Travels the world with you. See what this place has to offer. It's a Christmas tree. Nice so far. What did you get? Huh?
I got a salad that I'm gonna mix with my smoked salmon and my avocado.
And capers.
And capers and sundry tomato. Good.
I'm gonna go. Okay? You stay here.
I miss you.
So, did get a glass of wine, but you kind of have to ask for it because I think potentially because this is an Islamic country, you have to ask for the wine. They don't just have it out like most airports. The food was pretty awesome. Best food in the lounge I've been to. Watch how quickly I can leave her behind. Okay, so now we're taking the air train back, but we took a bus over, so I don't really get it because they didn't say that there's a air train. They just said to take the bus. But now we're in it. This seems to be a lot better, so I don't really get it. Yeah, where are they from? Yeah. Got a little bit of a nap in on the flight. Now we are in Thailand. About to go through customs. Country number 36. Rack it up.
I be here.
Rack it up. This is country number 36 for me. This is probably like the 7th or 8th new country this year. So where are we going?
We're going to an izakaya, which is a traditional Japanese tapas bar. And it's like a Spanish tapas bar, but Japanese.
Yeah. See what Bangkok has to offer.
Huh?
What is that?
Something crunchy.
Yeah? You like it?
Uh-huh.
So walking around Bangkok, I see what the city has to store today. It is probably 8 in the 80s and sunny, but I already really like it here. So next we went to the Ammarin Winitchai Royal Palace, and as you can see, that's actually gold-plated. Our guide here was not that good. He was very hard to understand, and he was a little bit aggressive with like asking for tips. It's just kind of a little bit of a hustler, but it was really, really stunningly beautiful, and definitely would be worth going to check out. We also went inside and went to some sort of a mass, and that's like some type of a flower that she's putting holy water on her head, if I remember correctly.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. What do you think about that tour? Huh?
I think it was better than not a tour at all, but it was a little bit hard to understand him.
Yeah.
But it was good. We saw a monk.
We saw a few monks.
We saw a few monks, and it was huge and beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, so for lunch, for a beer, a coconut, green curry, and shrimp pad thai, it was 430 baht.
So that's around €4 each?
No, a little bit more than that.
Huh?
Like 5 each.
Oh.
So I just got this little energy drink for 15 baht. Yeah,
We got mango from the street. Mmm. Fresh mango. It was 20 baht. Leave something for me.
I leave nothing for you.
We are in Chinatown.
You gonna eat one of these? You gonna eat it? So I just got some shrimp gyoza, 75 baht, which is like a little over $2, I believe. It's $2.30, something around there, for the 5 shrimp gyoza. So I'm gonna have them as a little snack before dinner. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and look out for future videos as a digital nomad traveling around the world, and I'll be sharing tips and tricks about what to do when traveling remotely or traveling and working remotely. Currently in Argentina, as you can see, I've got a Milanesa, but let's get back to the video. Who's ready to go to dinner?
Me and you.
Yep, we are. So we're at the cooling tower bar, right?
Yeah.
In Bangkok, Thailand. What do you think?
I think it's amazing.
Yeah? Film that for me.
Yes, you are.